AWS-CWI Part B Examination Requirements. According to AWS-B 5.1 Amendment 1, Clause 7, candidates seeking the CWI certification must take 3 examination parts to earn the certification: Part A, Part B, and Part C. Part B is a hands-on and written exam. The intent of the Part B examination is to assess the candidate's ability to evaluate a physical characteristic and make the correct decision based on the given acceptance criteria or code requirements. Visit www.materialwelding.com for free learning resources and mock examinations. AWS-CWI Part B Examination Delivery. The examination will be paper-based test, PBT, delivered at AWS-authorized test centers. AWS-CWI Part B Test Specifications. Test specifications are a breakdown of examination content areas along with proportion of the examination devoted to each content area as given in below table. As specified in the AWS-B 5.1 Amendment 1, Clause 7.1, the CWI Part B main content categories are composed of the following domains and weights: minimum % of questions on the examination. References for taking the examination. The reference book for the CWI Part B practical examination is Part B Examination Book of Specifications. There are several versions of the reference book. Please choose the correct version to use depending on the exam versions from AWS site. Usually Exam Center provides the applicable book of specification for the Part B exam. Link given in the video description. For language-assisted CWI exams held outside the US or Canada metric measurement, use the language-specific reference books. It is available as a free PDF download from the AWS website in 7 different languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Japanese, Chinese, and Korean. AWS-CWI Part B Examination Materials. Candidates must utilize one or more of the following to answer exam questions: Part B Examination Book of Specifications, a sample code developed for use on the exam. Exam Exhibits Booklet, a collection of sample welding documents, such as PQRs, WPSs, and WQTRs, and photographs. 4-piece plastic weld replica set, including sample T-joint, groove, bend, and pipe specimens. Inspection Toolkit, including fillet weld gauges, V-whack gauge, dial caliper, ruler, C4.1 gauge, protractor, high-low gauge, magnifying glass, mirror, and flashlight. All exam materials will be supplied to each candidate on the test date. Although the exam exhibit booklet and plastic weld replica set are confidential, the sample toolkit can be purchased from AWS, and the book of specification is available as a free PDF download from the AWS website in 7 different languages. AWS-CWI Part B Exam Type. CWI Part B is an open book examination. The reference for the CWI Part B Practical Examination, Part B Examination Book of Specifications, is available on the AWS website free of charge and provided to candidates at testing. AWS-CWI Part B Total number of questions on the examination. There are 46 questions on the examination. AWS-CWI Part B Allotted time to complete the examination. Candidates have a maximum of 120 minutes to complete the examination. AWS-CWI Part B Passing Score. Successful candidates must correctly answer 72% of the questions to pass the examination. AWS-CWI Part B Examination Question Types. The examination will consist primarily of multiple choice items. Some single correct answer items and alternative item types may appear as well.